Hello peeps. Today I am playing Gorilla Tag because I don't know what to do with my life. I'm not joking. Whoa. Whoa. I'm just gonna keep the camera here. Oh, I forgot to record. Okay, well that's we're just gonna put that there. Just in case this footage doesn't get saved. Sorry, I'm talking to a British accent because I don't know. I want to climb up here, but I'm trash at doing stuff, so. I mean. Oh, dang. I'm gonna try again. Oh, God. Wee. I'm gonna do that again. That's fun. Oh, God. Dang. Modern Family? Okay.
What? Please?
I want to go on the slide. Wait, where am I going? Am I going to mountains? Am I in? Oh God, this is dizzy. I don't think this is Wow. Wow. Wait, I know this map. Wait, no I don't. Wait, no I don't. Okay, what do I do? It's just a big forest map, it seems. Wait, what is that? What is that? No. No, Kodora. Ew, what is that? It's so ugly.
Go to bed. You're in the bed. We'll go to bed.
Wait, it's kind of cute.
I'm not in the bed.
There you are. There.
Wait, it's kind of cute.
Okay, that's it.
Mommy, wait.